Welcome back to another Senegard YouTube video. And yes, this is not a video game video. As you can see, we have a wireless keyboard right here. This is actually something I've been waiting for a super long time, and I thought that it would be fun to do a reveal. And basically just see how it is and show it to you guys. First thing I noticed, it's super lightweight. This would be perfect, just like an on-the-go keyboard, which is probably what it's for. And okay, let's just open it. I already started to open it, but then I'm like, wait, I should do a YouTube video. So that's what I'm doing now. Gotta get this off. It's so hard. Wait one sec. Okay, so I got the tape off. Now I think I just gotta, I don't want to like, I'm trying to open this nicely. I usually don't, oh, I think I open it like this. Ah, here we go. I usually don't open things now. Oh my gosh. This is super light, so let's just get that box out of here. Wait, I think there were instructions in there. Wait, instructions. So as carefully as we can. Oh wait, this is really dark. Wait, let me turn on my LED lights. Oh, here, I'll also just turn on my lamp. Perfect, okay. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. So as carefully as we can, oh, I can just slide it up. So these keys are so small. They're basically as big as my finger right here. Oh my gosh. I love that clicking sound. This is so much smaller than I also expected. Okay, we have the on and off. Oh, we can also change colors on these. That's a cool thing about this. Keyboard. Okay, here's the instructions. Oh my gosh, I cannot work. I'm so scared. Instructions, word loss, space, bar, ear, or I don't know how to say that. Key drop. I don't want my keys to drop. This is good. Okay, this is just if anything goes wrong, I guess. Here we go. Let's go. Okay, here's the instructions. I hate reading instructions, but let's just do this. Okay. Oh, looks like we even have a special key for home. It's right here. It's like a little square. That's cool. Just like a normal keyboard, you can do the brightness, decrease and increase. Oh, there's even a search button, screenshot, just like a normal keyboard. I don't know actually if a normal keyboard has that. It's right here. Screenshots. Oh yeah, these two cool buttons. The lights. I can change lights. That's so cool. There's 7 colors. Okay, now how do I turn this on? Oh, there's an on and off switch right here. I'm gonna turn it off actually. I don't feel comfortable yet. Okay. Well, first of all, this clicking is like amazing. I love just like the sound of this, like right quick little sound. That is so cool. Also, something that kind of got my attention were these little things. And so it doesn't like scratch the bottom, I thought that was cool. Again, super light. It looks like I can even plug in a mouse if I wanted to. I think that's what that is, or just to charge it. So let's see. How do I set this up? I might need an iPad, so let me just go ask my sister if I can have hers. BRB. Okay, so just gonna lay her iPad there. So how do you do this? How do I set this up? Oh, Bluetooth. Okay, so turn that on. I'm not techie at all. So go to settings, go to Bluetooth. Where's Bluetooth? Here it is. Oh, Bluetooth is off. Let's turn Bluetooth on. Connect. I don't know. Bluetooth pairing button. Did I do it? Then I connect it. Connected. Oh my gosh, it's working. Okay. So let's go to YouTube and search up my channel. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. I feel like I'm on a real keyboard. See, the keys do look center. And look, there's my channel. Oh, she's not subscribed. Oh, she doesn't have a YouTube account. Okay, well, we have my videos here. So how you turn it on is, we almost knocked it out of my hands. So let me look up. So right here, there's an on and off switch. You want to push it to on, which it is on. Then you want to go here to like this little icon here, right there. And you want to go to your settings to find, go to your settings to get to your Bluetooth, and then turn that on to connect it. And once it is connected, turn it off. Not the whole keyboard, but like the little button right here, because you're supposed to turn it on to connect to this thing. I don't know if that was good explaining. And then you want to just push connect, and then you are connected. So let's play Roblox. Let's see if the WASD keys work. And I don't have a mouse, so it's going to be a little weird. So let's just join Adopt Me. Oh, dang it. I have to move. Okay, so that's what I was hoping for, is that I could use the... Oh, wait, it might not even be connected anymore. Yes, I think it... Wait. It is connected. Okay. So, it looks like this is for mainly typing. I am cool. So, this is actually a really cool thing. It's not for gaming, mainly. It's more for just typing stuff. I keep typing in I am cool. And it's not, it's probably not meant for a, yeah, like I said, it's not meant for gaming. It's more for just like maybe easy portable thing just to type whenever you need. And it's easy because you can disconnect it and reconnect it. I would recommend this. Oh my gosh. Look at the lights. Okay, the lights are super cool. This is really cool. Yeah, so these lights flicker on and off. Well, I was in the middle of saying something and then I forgot what it was. Sorry about that. So, I would recommend this. I wouldn't recommend it for if you're buying it for a gaming setup. Like, if you got an iPad but you wish you had a computer, so you're going to use it for gaming, I would not recommend getting this. Maybe there's another brand where you can use the WASD keys, but this does not work with it. And if it does, I haven't figured out how to yet. Maybe I'll continue reading the instructions after the video. But I definitely love these clicking noises. It makes me feel like I'm at a real computer, you know? And the computers I were using to do stuff were my mom's and my mom's little computer and my dad's big PC. And the PC has these really big keys. And I don't like typing on them because they're so big that I have to like go over here, kind of like tapping. But this, it's small, you can find your way easily. And that's basically all. I mean, this is really cool. I keep saying that. I'm super impressed. This is sold on Amazon. This is the wireless keyboard. For those of you who are watching this, I would recommend getting this. And just real quick, this is not something we are going to do a lot, mainly because I don't usually buy things like this a lot. So, I wouldn't you do this a lot. So don't really expect this to be the thing we do here. We mostly will do gaming, if that makes sense. But this is just a short little video, I guess. Just like, oh my gosh, look at the typing. It's so cool. Yes, I give this, if I had to base it on 10, I would have to give this product maybe an 8.5. I was a little disappointed that I couldn't play games on it. I have to like do this, but I really do love that. I like the sound of it. I love the color changing. I love how light it is and how small it is. You could just fit it in a backpack or fit it in your purse to go anywhere. And I also just love just like it feels like you could just, like if you're doing it's so easy. You don't have to go, you know? So yes, I would recommend getting this, but I would recommend doing research first just in case you have maybe things that you want in a keyboard or a Bluetooth keyboard to connect to your iPad. Let's say you don't want the coloring thing. Let's say you want it to be a specific color. I would recommend doing your research first. And hopefully this video was helpful. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button. It would make me feel so happy. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye! Okay, so I know you probably thought that the video was over. I needed to mention one last very important detail about this keyboard. It does need to be charged. I forgot. I was reading the instructions while I was editing it just so I could know everything. And it said it needed to be charged with the cable, which is this, our USB cable, I think that's what it's called, that they gave us in the box. So I looked in the box and it was at the very back. So just make sure you find the keyboard, all the instruction manuals, just in case it's broken, papers, and this, because this is important, it needs to charge. And I was just going to show you real quick how the charging works. You get one of these, plug it in, just like a normal iPad, and let me see, wrong way. Plug it in, and right here on the top, right here on the keyboard, and right here is how you plug it in. And make sure you don't like stick it in there and then pull it out partially. It does need to be wiggled a little bit and kind of slowly taken out. That's what I noticed with mine. So just wanted to tell you guys that. Now we can go back to the video.